Hi everybody and welcome to this new video about Amazon Rekognition. First, let me tell you an anecdote. Weeks ago, I didn't want to be a digital boomer anymore and I finally decided to use TikTok. So I download the application, I create a new account and I confirm my account. Then I did what I always do when I register on a website or application, upload a new profile picture. However, TikTok did not allow me to do it. And I thought, that's weird, let's change my username. And I was not able to do it either. Then I tried to follow my wife's account with no success. 2 days later, I opened TikTok again and I got the following message. The message is in Spanish, but basically I have been permanently banned from TikTok and I don't even know why. I use my real name, a valid email, I try to upload a real picture of me. I did not post any video or comments at all. So what's wrong? At this point, I started to think like an IT guy. I may have been detected as a bot, or as the message says, maybe something I did actually broke the community rules. The first thing I did was upload a profile picture. So I wondered if my picture was somehow inappropriate. Is my face considered unsafe content? Is it because I have no hair? Let's investigate. Amazon has a service called Rekognition. Is it used to identify objects, people, text, scenes and activities in images and videos, as well as detect any inappropriate content. That's exactly what we are looking for. So basically you upload an image or a video to Rekognition and the service returns a list of moderation labels that have been detected. Moderation labels are, in a nutshell, categories of offensive or inappropriate content. You can find all the moderation labels in the official documentation here. So you have a top level moderation label. There are 10 top level categories and a lot of subcategories related to the top categories. So let's go now to the implementation. In a previous video of mine, I showed you how I created a chat interface in Unity connecting with ChatGPT and DALL-E. This time we'll connect the chat interface with Rekognition. Something interesting with Rekognition is that it integrates with S3. So you can upload a file directly to Rekognition, or you can first upload a file to an S3 bucket and then indicate Rekognition where to find it. Regarding accessing the services, we use here an authenticated access thanks to a combination of a Cognito identity pool, a user pool, and a policy. The policy allows authenticated user to access two services, S3 and Lambda. I will show you the policy. This is a policy. So the policy allows to write in this specific bucket and invoke this specific function. If you want to know more about it, please check my previous video where I explain in detail how to build this complex access. The S3 bucket is a private entity bucket and nobody but the authenticated users can access it. About the Lambda function, I wrote it in Python, but it's up to you to choose your favorite programming language. The function is very simple. I receive the file name from the Unity client and here I'm selecting all the moderation labels available. My face can be inappropriate in many ways and we never know. Then I call the moderation API of Rekognition thanks to the Boto3 library. and I indicate here the bucket and the file name. And then we return to the Unity client if moderation is needed or not. Okay, so that's it. Let's go now to the demo. Okay, so I have here the application running on the Samsung Galaxy A7. So the application is running and we are going to perform 3 tests. First test, let's select an image from the gallery, an image of Bibi. Bibi is my daughter's favorite teddy bear. So let's try with Bibi and we send it. And that's okay. Bibi is not inappropriate content, so everything okay. Let's try now with a subjective image, which is a girl wearing a bikini. So we select the image, we send it, and it works. The image has been detected as inappropriate subjective content. So in the Unity client, what I'm doing is just hiding the image, but it's up to you to blur the image, to pixelate the image, or maybe not, don't show the image at all. And first test we're going to do is finally send my profile picture. Okay. And it's okay, my face is not inappropriate content, so I'm very glad to know it. And it's working fine. In the Lambda function, I printed the result of the moderation label. So if we take a look at CloudWatch, we can see here that the only moderation labels that have been returned are for the girl wearing a bikini. So the name of the detected image is female swimwear or underwear with a top level category subjective. So that's okay, that's working fine. And that's it. So in conclusion, I still don't know why I have been permanently banned from TikTok. But I'm glad that my face is not considered inappropriate by Rekognition. Furthermore, it has been an excellent opportunity to discover this Amazon service and realize an implementation with Unity3D. If you want to test it by yourself, please check the description of this video. I will leave the entire source code and the policy to make it work. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.